Hey, Irene, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny, SEO. So right off the bat, we're going to talk a little bit about your website, see what we can do, and maybe give some tips and tricks. So contact us, locally owned. I don't know why it was at the bottom of your website. All right, we're at the top now. So you do have your logo over here. It looks like part of it's at the top. I would probably put it all over here as a header, get an estimate, which I would probably put as your number. So have your phone numbers, a click to call, privacy policy, contact us, testimonials, gallery, services, home. This is not a drop-down menu. What you want is you want people to come to your website, scroll over the drop-down menu for services, see which ones they're looking for, click on it, and then move on to the next page, read what they want, and then call you. That's how Google Ads work, by the way. You can trust us, call, good, that's click to call, painting renovations, excellent. Interior, exterior, basement, kitchen, bathroom remodel, stuff like that. This is great. Unfortunately, you're not talking about them. You want to talk about the services. You got reviews, that's great. Professional services, why you should trust you guys. And gallery, get in touch. This is great. Maybe a little smaller, but otherwise good. And then contact us, and we're at the bottom again. Okay. Anyway, not a bad website at all. You're just missing content. Google really wants to see content, about 1,500, 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone with relevant keywords. Now, a keyword is what somebody might put into Google to search for a service. Now, a buyer intent keyword is what somebody might put into Google that will be very specific to what they're looking for and very specific to a location, like this. Painters, Nashville, Tennessee. Now, here's the reason. I'm not really going to go over your back end stuff because you don't have enough in here for Google to even look at you guys, unfortunately. I'm not trying to come off as harsh or rude. It's just that you have a website and it's not working for you because nothing's happening. But let's take a look at what happens when I put in a buyer intent keyword, right? Location specific and service specific. So we got right off the bat, this is an ad for the GMB, but we got our GMB prospects over here. Top three is where you want to be because 3 out of 10 people will click on one of these three people. So you got I don't know, 1 out of 3 chance to, if you're in the top three, to be the one that they click on. And then we have our organic search. So this is where, everyone will go to, anyone can rank here as long as you know what you're doing. And then finally, we got your biggest competitors, Nashville House Painters. So right off the bat, there's services. It is a drop down. I don't know. Is it? It was a drop down menu. Ooh, okay, so it moves to another page. Okay, okay. I was gonna say like, wow, you can easily beat them out if you know what you're doing. But they also have multiple locations, as you can see, but they're all in the same area. Let's be real. Why isn't Smyrna on the list? It's before Murfreesboro. But anyway, they have their number, get a virtual estimate, and as you scroll down, create your own personalized atmosphere and space. So they're making it about you, your goals, what you want it to look for. Great exterior painting, interior cabinet, color consultation, stuff like that. So they're doing a good job. They're just not talking a lot about what it is they're offering. Meet Rick and Nisi. Great picture. Flawless painting. Get in touch with us. We'll get the work done. So just overall a decent website. Nothing crazy. But it's the back end that's really helping them out here, right? They have a UR rating of 21, which is how strong Google likes their website, and then a DR rating of 7, which is how much Google trusts them. Now the big thing about it is backlinks. That's what's going to raise these numbers up. So they have 589 backlinks. A backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else, and and a referring domain is when somebody clicks on that link and it comes back to you. They have 74 that return back. That's barely 10%. So not all are created equal. You got some that are more spammy than others, like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia. That is, not really going to help anybody out. But they do have 392 organic keywords. So let's take a look at what those are and see if we can help. So house painters is an international kind of keyword. Anyone in the world can look for this one. So I don't care if they're getting 230 people a month to their website. It's not helping them. This is Painters Nashville is 450 a month. They're searching for it. They're getting 69 to their website every month, and they're in position 3. So they're doing a good job in getting the traffic because they're doing because they're in the position to take it. Now, this one, exterior house painter and exterior painters, isn't great because it's not location specific. So anyone in the United States can search for that. So that's why it's bad keywords. I don't care if they're getting 100 people through that. It's not going to work for them. House painters in Nashville, 250 searches for that. 47 are coming to their website, and they're in position 2. So how does this really help you guys out? So honestly, all we really got to do is we got to get you more backlinks. Take the good ones that the Nashville house painters are using and put it on your website. You all can use the same ones and then get an additional 20 above him so that you can rank much higher. Content. We got to get content on your website as well so that you guys can rank for that. And then top of that, we got to get you guys good, strong organic keywords. Painters Nashville, Nashville Painters, Nashville, Tennessee Painters, stuff like that. And we got to get good volume in there as well so people can start clicking on those or typing them in, seeing you up front, and then going your way. Imagine if you can just get 50 people to your website. What would that do for you guys? Anyway, that's all I really got. If you have any questions for me, please reach out, let me know. If you have any feedback, of course, I would definitely like to know that as well. Other than that, you have a great night. Bye.